math friends, it's Mrs. Beals and we're here to practice addition with regrouping. We're going to model it along the way. So let's look at our problem. Our problem here is 293 plus 136. So when we add, we always start in the ones place. So let's look at our ones. We've got a 6 here. If I want to add 3 more, I get 6, 7, 8, 9. I get a 9. Okay? Let's represent what we just did over here in our place value mats. So let's go ahead and get our numbers written down. We have 293, 200s, that's worth 200s. This 9 is worth 90, and then the 3. Good. All right, our second number is 136. This is worth 100. This 3 is worth 30. And what was it? 6. This is worth 6. So we're going to represent our ones column. Our 3 plus 6 is 9. So I've got to have 3 cubes. And then I need 6 more cubes for the bottom number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When I count those cubes, I get 1, 2, 3 plus 6. That gives me 9. I'm good to go. I'm really happy because I only have 1 digit in my ones column. If you have 1 digit, you don't have to worry about sending anything next door. So let's look at our tens now. Our tens are 9 plus 3, so 9, 10, 11, 12. That gives me a 12. Okay, let's represent it over here. I need 9 tens. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then my bottom number, I just need 3. Okay. When I add up my 9 and my 3, I get 12. That's a problem because if we can only have 1 digit in this column, so if there's too much on the floor, we need to send it next door to that hundreds place. So I want to send it to the hundreds place. In order to do that, I've got to be able to make one of these. If I'm going to send it to the hundreds place, I got to be able to make 100 out of it. So I need to get at least 10 strips to make one of these because this is made out of 10 strips. So let's see if I get 10 strips. Here's 9. So let me just throw these over to the hundreds place. But I need 1 more to make 10. Awesome. Here are 10 tens. So now I can move it next door to the hundreds place. I'm going to throw those out and just use a hundreds cube because it's the same thing. Okay, so now instead of having 12 in the tens place, I only have 2 now because I sent 10 of those tens over here to the hundreds. So I'm going to put that 1 that I had here. I sent it next door. I'm going to put it right up here. In fact, I can change this 2 to a 3 if I want, but I'm just going to leave it 2 and 1, okay? Over here, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to keep my 2, but I got to send that 1 next door to the hundreds. Okay? So now let's model the hundreds place really quick. I need 100 that I sent next door. Look, I've already got it. We're good there. But I need 2 and then 1. So let me find them. Here's 2 that I can put right here for that number. Remember, I already have the 1 there. I sent it next door. And then here is the 1. So let's add the hundreds place. 2, 3, 4. I got 4. Let's add it over here to see if it's the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. That gives me 4. So my sum, the answer to my addition problem, is 429. You can see it here. I've got 429 on my place value mats, and I have 429 on my problem. Great job, mathematicians. I am super, super impressed. When you come to class, make sure that you know our chant. Our chant is, too much on the floor, send it next door. Too much on the floor, send it next door. Great job.